Hello, Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will discuss about the chemistry of some commercially important compounds. It is an important topic in the class 10th chemistry. Dear students, first of all, let us discuss about the chemistry of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. This sodium hydroxide, it is also known as caustic soda. It's also known as caustic soda, and its molecular formula is NaOH. So this is the chemical formula or molecular formula of sodium hydroxide, and it's commonly known as caustic soda. This sodium chloride is an important base. It's a basic compound. It's an important base and is known as and is present in the alkalis. ये एक important alkali है. So sodium hydroxide is an important alkali. It's a strongest base. Now, dear students, this sodium chloride is prepared. It is prepared. How it is prepared? It is prepared by a process that is known as chloralkali process. So this sodium hydroxide is prepared. It is prepared by chloralkali process. In this process, what happens? In this chloralkali process, sodium chloride, the aqueous solution of sodium chloride, that is aqueous solution of common salt, जिसको हम brine भी बोलते हैं, brine undergoes electrolysis and results in the formation of sodium hydroxide. So in this process, sodium hydroxide is prepared by the electrolysis of concentrated solution of sodium chloride, common salt. It's also known as brine. During this process, chlorine gas is produced at anode and hydrogen gas is produced at cathode. So यहाँ पे दो gases भी produce होते हैं. Chlorine gas जो है that is produced at anode, और जो हाइड्रोजन गैस है दैट्स प्रोड्यूस्ड एट कैथोड. सो ओवरऑल क्या है, अगर ओवरऑल की रिएक्शन देखेंगे तो सो वी कैन हियर एक्सप्लेन दिस प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड बाय द केमिकल रिएक्शन. सो इन दिस प्रोसेस 2 times सोडियम क्लोराइड, aqueous solution of sodium chloride, reacts with water and results in the formation of, during electrolysis, they result in the formation of sodium hydroxide, and chlorine gas is released at anode, whereas hydrogen gas is released at cathode. So this is our caustic soda or sodium hydroxide. Now, dear students, we will here discuss about the uses of the sodium hydroxide, uses of sodium hydroxide. This sodium hydroxide is an important chemical compound. It is used for the manufacture of soaps and detergents. It's used in the manufacture of soaps and detergents. This sodium hydroxide is used for making the artificial textiles like rayon. It's used in the manufacture of rayon, that's an artificial textile, artificial fiber. This sodium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of paper. It is used in the manufacture, so it's a raw material, manufacture of paper. Sodium hydroxide is also used for degreasing metals and is used for in oil refining. It's used for degreasing metals and it is used in oil refining. So these are the important uses of sodium hydroxide. Now our second compound or our next compound is washing soda. Chemically, this washing soda, it is sodium carbonate decahydrate. So it is chemically it is sodium carbonate decahydrate. That is, it is sodium carbonate which contains 10 molecules of water of crystallization. So its molecular formula is Na2CO3 10 times water. This sodium carbonate, its anhydrous form, if the anhydrous form of sodium carbonate, that is without this water of crystallization, that is known as soda ash. The anhydrous form of sodium carbonate is known as soda ash. Now we will discuss about the properties of this washing soda. Properties. This washing soda, it is first of all a transparent crystalline solid. It's a transparent crystalline solid. Second one, this sodium carbonate or washing soda, it is soluble in water. It is water soluble. And third one, it's an important property, that is it has cleaning action. It has cleaning action, that it is used to remove dirt and grease. Now uses of sodium carbonate decahydrate, that is washing soda. This sodium carbonate decahydrate, it is used in different industrial processes. It's used for making the soaps and detergents. It is used for making soaps. It acts as, the sodium carbonate is used as cleaning agent. It's used as a cleaning agent, that is it acts, it's used for removing the dirt and oil or grease from the clothes. The sodium carbonate or washing soda is used to remove the permanent hardness of water. It's used to remove the permanent hardness of water. It's also used in the manufacture of soaps, paper, glass, etc. It's used in the manufacture of soaps, glass, water, etc. So this is about the uses and properties of washing soda. Thank you and have a nice day.